gosh, it's the Jamaican dining table staple, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Jamaicans are known for fried dumpling, and who better than the culinary king slash fryer of the best dumplings to judge our skills? Well, Chef Audrey Sewell is going to join us now. Well, he's going to join us after we fry a dumpling. We're going to try.
Hey, how much butter
I don't even know when to put in the butter.
Ready?
I have some help from my IG friends. All right. I don't know how to fry dumpling.
I'm
just telling you
so,
from now. So, this is how much cup of flour? 4? 4 cup of flour. So, them say I must put. I listening to you on my IG now. So, if you don't have more tips, tell me. What him just do? 1, 2.
What's all? Give me some.
Me not give you nothing. 3. No! Yes, do it.
3 pinches. Rastaman salt, 3 pinches.
3.
Alright, so we get to.
Stabilize, man. Sure. I said stop your knives, okay? So when I must put in the butter? Shut up. Because my granny used to make it and shook the butter in the middle when she put it in the pot. So I don't know.
And make sure she's not cheating, you know. Anybody? Oh, use my hand. Use my hand.
So the butter must go in the dumpling, or it must go when you do it like when you fry it, like how my grandmother used to do it. It must go in the mix. Rub around the ear, this idiot. I can't take it.
Why is it so soft?
Maybe because too much water into it.
Never ask you, miss.
Okay, Papa.
Competition with your road.
Okay, Papa.
Go on, make it so soft.
Enjoy yourself.
Come make it so soft.
Look here now. No butter.
Yeah? Yeah, man.
I don't know which kind of 5 minutes is the matter about. Dumpling can make in a 5 minutes.
We can turn it back to medium now. I'm not going to all of that, you know.
No, Sakina, take time with the water. The people on my Instagram are dying. They're dying right now.
Put a little more flour. I don't have enough flour.
We don't have no more flour.
No, I'm good now, you know.
Milk and ice water if you need it. I don't have no milk and I don't have no ice water. I don't know watch to see what I have.
I don't have a fry all like that. Right. Put it back to medium now. Eh? Yeah, put it back. I'm not helping me. All right, chef. It's all right. It's all right.
You're not to get any help from the chef. No, you just say it's a competition.
Shh. This too big? It's too big?
Them dumpling, you're going to lick somebody and bust her head. I tell you that straight. I tell you that straight. Them dumpling, you're going to lick them somebody.
Oh.
Stop cheating, men!
They might tell you too.
We did already get it a while ago.
Them say make it smaller.
Wanna try help me. Them dumpling you no make good.
Hey.
My own door hot. Turn up this for me, please. You see? Them already start.
No.
Jeez and peas, them are teeth me already. Them give me loaf. Alright, may I put mine in a Europe?
Somebody said them too big?
Please, only notice that this is my dumpling.
What you do?
Because my partner's auto.
Alright, me don't know, you know.
What them there? Look here, I can tell you something. I can't cook, I just don't fry dumpling.
Me I make this is test.
Cook. Mine hot now? Oh, what kind of
Whiskey. You can fry dumpling?
Of course.
No, but nobody with that. Everybody say of course, and then when
Until
time
them
comes.
put them in front of the floor. Please notice the 2 dumplings that are mine. 1 and 2.
Yeah, and
I never ordered. So I'm just using his pot.
Take out what? Is that? May I watch mine, you know?
So you think somebody got cheat the dumpling?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
flat
6.
fritters dumpling.
6. How the fries are slow? We can turn it up.
You try mine, you burn up this up.
Can I call a friend? Oh, turn them. Like turn them around. Oh. What that side? What's that?
It's not brown yet.
No, man, the pot. Fear one hot, man. Sakina, go over this. Take this out and go over this.
All right, come, give me my dumpling.
Yeah, take it out.
Wait, stop touch me dumpling.
I'll put it over this.
That's right. Them dumplings.
Round up at them, yeah?
Do it. My dumpling them look away.
Okay, man, better than yours.
Andre, where you look, sir?
Yes.
You look like we're hurt the dumpling them, are true?
This is like Africa's. This is like Africa.
Something.
Put more over
More
there.
over.
Because if not, I told him, but him bad minding me.
Want me
I
turn
tell
up or
him,
something?
Take it out.
Yeah. Or something
No,
turn
you
up.
can't turn up nothing for me.
Or something turn up.
Yeah, you're right. Okay.
Not at the pot. The pot. Chef, how am I stay?
Chef,
Go on, man.
I'm
All right,
stay,
go on.
I'm stay, chef.
Go on.
Bro.
I don't understand why my dumpling them did want to come more water. But I put the butter in there, so I hope so the butter will
Chef, come now, chef. You have to
All
assess
right,
my.
let me see what's going on.
You can't,
over
you
here
can't
now.
remember me. How stay?
Don't-
Look
you
here,
don't-
my hand clean. Sure.
You don't want
And
to
you know
knead the
some of them
dumpling too
expect
much,
that
because you don't
from
want them
you
tough.
You know what?
All
don't
the
want them
people
tough.
in the
Right.
world.
Oh.
You understand?
So I'm a pinch or something
So
like this.
when you knead them, it's them lightly. You understand?
Oh. I be a little dumpling me make right now, you know.
Yeah, them cook quicker.
But oh my God, that's not a dumpling, it's like a dumpling it.
Leave me dumpling. Ah, jeez, see there? See first one there?
So you start get little color, you know. And you get some color.
Nah,
too.
this is not no color.
Turn them, man. Just turn them.
Turn it same way.
She said turn them.
So you got turn them
Oh, it's a mine.
couple times.
Don't make a dumpling touch me.
In the interest of time, make them a little flatter.
Let me tell you, man,
Yeah.
tell you, you know.
But it's not.
I that Tyro this from before.
It will puff up, man, because of
So
the
can
baking
you turn
powder.
up my fire?
Let me turn up your
Yeah,
fire.
go on it some more.
Your fire turn up?
I don't know.
Yeah, but what I
More I put in more of that.
Like you put more water in the pot. That joke thing.
I want to do shut up.
Hey, all I need is just one to fry, you know.
I want to be quiet.
You know, yours look so.
Jeez and peas, what a wicked occurrence. Watch him bring a big sexy dumpling out our dumpling.
Because of that, we're going to eat when we're done.
So,
So why mine can't eat?
what you talking about, bro? Watch out.
We can't hear what you're saying, Shauna.
Chef, come. All right, let me tell this out.
No, that's not ready yet, man.
You know, ready? Chef, how you prepare your dumpling?
So how them take so long for frying?
How you prepare your dumpling?
First of all, I'm start my dumpling from the night before. Anytime I do it.
So how come them expect we to make dumplings
So,
and
but
fry?
You can still cook.
So what happened to the regular
It was
man?
not-
Regular man like me who can't do that. All of
You
them
can. I would tell you to do maybe about 1 hour before. You get a much better fried dumpling when you do that. When you let it rest.
Why?
Science. Let me explain to you.
That's it.
Flour has gluten. The more you need flour, the more gluten develops. The tougher the dumplings get.
He was telling me to make it rest in the fridge for like 2 minutes.
You don't have to put it in the fridge. 2 minutes not enough. You want somewhere warm.
Oh, wow.
So you can get away with as little as 1 hour. But personally, I do overnight.
In other words, my dumpling them are gonna taste bad.
It probably not going to taste bad. It probably just go a little hard.
No mind to.
Andres, my
you-
dumpling are go hard.
I said maybe.
Dumpling them a fire over yourself.
Maybe.
Don't mix up my dumplings with your
Yeah,
dumplings.
man, yeah. Don't put that here.
Is this my
No,
dumpling?
no. See me look at one there. Sakina, you see? That's why you should put the thing in my pot, you know.
Why?
Can we get
All
that?
right.
Stop touching up my dumpling. Alright, give me my dumpling.
Turn that one.
Turn
That big
this-
one there.
the fatty?
Yeah. There you go.
I love my fatty.
When you container,
Alright, when you finish try.
where you container for put them in when you finish. Alright.
We're gonna try them now.
Hi!
Rush.
Them done.
They're not done doing. The middle of them don't cook. I said,
This done do.
What am I helping
No, that not
doing?
ready yet.
This done do.
That not ready yet.
This done do.
And that's why you have to keep the flame on medium, because if you make it too high, the outside is
Oh,
gonna
gosh.
cook and get crispy before the
Alright,
inside
guys.
cooks.
Here's my dumpling. Ah.
How my dumpling them gone?
What dumpling?
Them eat them off
That's
already.
not your dumpling. This is my dumpling. Chef,
Chef. Alright, chef.
Okay.
Look, chef. Just
Big
look
up.
off face value.
our face value.
who would
Who
you
my
hire?
dumpling look better?
You see, because everybody
Start the truth.
Chef.
against Sakina from morning.
No,
Choose
no. See, me
Stop,
telling you.
sorry,
sorry,
before
Bridget,
the
we
show
can't help
start, I'm telling you, you know, from the show. Chef, come on from me. Come on from me.
But in all honesty, please,
alright.
come and bring the camera.
Over here, someone stand up, anyway.
Bring the camera and look down into the pot. Man, look better. Thank you, your Chef Andre. Chef Andre Soul, guys. Him really know how to make fried dumpling. We don't. We just stop taking my dumpling. Watch it. I'll try and mash up my dumpling. We so come back. You mash up my dumpling.
Will you have fried dumplings at the countdown for Jamaica 55? Well, we've been counting down all week. So we continue with our features, this time on ska, rocksteady, and reggae singer, songwriter, and musician Desmond Decker. We'll be right back.